Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are designing professional brand looks with Color Lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and start by analyzing the brand style you want to match. Professional brand looks require consistency and controlled tones. Add a Color Lookup adjustment layer and test LUTs that align with your brand color direction. Once selected, lower the opacity to maintain a clean finish. Add a Curves adjustment layer to refine contrast and ensure highlights and shadows look balanced. Use Color Balance to fine-tune tones so they match the brand's visual identity. Zoom in and check important elements like logos, products, or faces for accuracy. If needed, mask the Color Lookup layer.